In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a watermark from TradingView. Whether you're preparing a professional presentation, sharing insights with your colleagues, or simply prefer a cleaner charting experience. Knowing how to remove those distracting watermarks can be incredibly useful. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step, ensuring you can focus on the data that matters most to you. First things first, you'll want to head over to the TradingView website. If you haven't bookmarked it already, open your web browser and type in the TradingView URL to get started. Once you're there, log into your account to access your charts. If you're not logged in, you might be unable to change these specific settings, so make sure you're properly signed in. Next, find the particular chart where you want the watermark removed. If you have multiple charts, select the one that you're currently focused on adjusting. With your chart open and visible, it's time to customize your settings. Look towards the top of the interface and you'll notice the settings icon. It might be represented by a gear symbol. Find that icon and give it a click. Once you're in the settings menu, you need to navigate to a tab specifically labeled as Canvas. This section contains various customization options for your chart's appearance. It's really the control center for all sorts of visual elements on your chart, including watermarks. Now, as you look through the Canvas settings, you should notice that there is an option regarding watermarks. By default, this option is often checked, meaning the watermark will appear on your chart. To remove the watermark, simply uncheck this box. By doing this, the watermark should disappear from your chart immediately. It's that simple. This little adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you often find watermarks obstructive or unnecessary. Additionally, there's another type of watermark that you might encounter when using certain features on TradingView. For example, if you're using the replay functionality, you might notice a watermark associated with this as well. If you'd like to remove the replay watermark as you refine or present your analysis, the solution is similar. Just make sure the appropriate option is unchecked, and that replay watermark will vanish, providing a clearer view for you once again. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to easily remove those pesky watermarks from your TradingView charts, creating a more streamlined and professional-looking workspace. Whether you need distraction-free analysis or just prefer a cleaner aesthetic, these adjustments can make all the difference. Keep practicing and experimenting with TradingView's various features, and you'll continue to enhance your charting experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.